So now we will add this forms and all these things for registration. So when I choose plan, so in this register model I will show that form. So there will be the three steps: plans, pricing, then basically business detail, user details. So for this I already asked ChatGPT give me code to using Tailwind CSS or Alpine CSS for form wizard with three steps. So it has given this one. So I will copy this code and paste it into our model. So here it is. So I'll just see how it looks. Okay, first then business detail and then basically user details. So likewise there will be this one. So I will just remove this title for now. Let's see how it looks. So without title it's pretty good. So we can add title later. Basically we can select a plan, then business details, and then basically full name, and we can add other things also. Okay, so I didn't like this style of this inputs and all this thing, so we'll change this one. So for this, first thing is this plan. So plan, we can show this two three things, means plan name, then there what we call pricing and all these things. So I will just ask ChatGPT give me code to show plants with name and price, and what we can show. Okay, give me code to show plants with name and price. Use tailwind CSS show plants one below other plants in a rounded rectangle and to use radio button to select the frame. Okay, let's see how what code it gives. So plan cards, select input type radio. Okay, I think there is some issue, but still we'll add this one. Copy, then I will go to this choose a plan, select a plan. Here I will add this one. Let's see how it looks. So basic, okay, so likewise they have given. Then next, so I will remove this particular thing. And I will make it proper. Now this is properly aligned. So they can select a plan. Then next, then business name. With business name we will ask other things like industry or something. So for style proper I will use this login, hence label and input similar structure. So business information, here I will just add this div. So here name, so I will add business name. I will add business dot name. type text name business.team, so it will be wire model or all of these things. So I'll just remove this one. And this label, then we'll add this validation here. So at the rate error, so this name I will copy this one, then at the rate end error, and now I will just add message span dot text rate 500 another message. Okay, so next they will add business name. Then basically here also will add this drop down. So for drop down I will just copy the code from what the CRUD operation we have done, no? So I will just copy that one. This one here, and we'll add, so industry will ask industry, so this will be business.industry. Industry. So we have industry of that particular business, then in future we might give proper suggestion or recommendation according to the business or something like that. So here well, all these things will not be needed. I will just remove these options. So we'll add these options later. Next, so industry they can select business name. Before business name I will add class MB3. Same class I will add here. Okay, now choose a plan. So plan will get selected, then next they will add business detail, and then next we will add user details and all these things. So for user details we'll add name, email. So I will just copy this one. For user details, /div. Okay, undefined variable lead. So I will just remove these things. Next, so name, email, this MB3, class MB3, next. Okay, so name, email, then basically we can add password and all these things. I should have copied this from register. We already have this form. So name, email, then password, confirm password, this one. Okay, so password, confirm password, then okay, so we have this user details, we have this business detail, and they will select a plan. So we'll see. We can give that option to start a trial or something, or directly ban. So that option can also begin. So select a plan and business name. So all these things we have added this form. So we'll have to add this interactivity. Means when I select this next, so this should first should be selected. So validation would be there. When I basically add name and select, then next that validation should be there. Also this validation should be there. So all validation should be there.